Today is June 20th, 2017, and I'm changing my rear O2 sensor. I picked this up from eBay for around 20 bucks. They're usually around $50 or $60. It's supposed to be a brand name part, just in a lot package, but I'm not sure what brand this is. It looks pretty similar. So here is the connection. I already got it out. So the steps are, I partially jacked up my car. I just have it on one side. For safety, you should have it on both sides. I took off the coolant reservoir, and down here you can see that blue and red plug. You would disconnect that, and that's connected to the O2 sensor. And if you look underneath the car, right here on the downpipe, there is this hole. I just used an adjustable wrench and I loosened it out, and this is out. So right now I'm gonna put the new part in and plug it in. So it's pretty straightforward. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes to do. Oh, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I got a check engine light. There was a code for bank 1 being too lean, P2087 or something like that. And then I got another code that said that bank 1 sensor 2 was faulty. So I'm gonna replace this, clear the codes, and see if it pops back up. This is the new O2 sensor plugged in, and it only goes in one direction, so you can't get it messed up. And down here, use the same wrench to tighten that back in. So I'm just gonna tidy this up right now and then clear out the codes. These are the codes that I had before. P2187, bank 1 too lean at idle. O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 2, P0141. And this one's new, it's P0136, bank 1 sensor 2. So all of these are tied to the second O2 sensor. So what I'm going to do is, let me check pending. They're all the same. So I'm going to erase all of them and then see if they come back within the next 200 miles or so. So now that this is erased, if I read the codes, it doesn't show any. Now that the car is on, I'm going to check it again. So there's no codes found. Monitors, because I reset everything. I need to drive about 50 miles or so for all of these to check back on.